So you rented a rototiller. Hi everybody, Josh here with Carl's Mower and Saw, and with me today is the BCS 712 tiller. This is a tiller that we've rented for many years. As you can see, it's getting a little bit worn, but it's still tilling like a champ, and it honestly is one of the best rototillers that you can rent, but it's a little confusing. So today I want to go over what you need to know. You've got this sucker home. The dealership went over it with you on how to use it, and you forget what to do. So it's time to call them up and say, help, I can't get it started. So we're just doing a little walk around today. I will put the camera in the tripod in a minute, but we are going to start really close up here and look at some key items. This right here, this red lever, is key. This is my OPC lever, my kill lever per se. Dead man switch, that's something that people will call it. If this is not held down, it will die. So we rented a tiller the other day. I get a call from a customer. I had driven it into their vehicle. They had tested it, understood it. They got it home and they couldn't get it started. That was up. So first things first is we squeeze and we can latch it, and you see how now it's locked down? That's going to allow us to actually start this machine. When this bottom lever, this Kupplung, we'll call it, actually that's what it says, this clutch lever is disengaged, so meaning down. I shouldn't say it that way. When this clutch lever is up, nothing will move. When I release it, it will actually drive or till if I have the tines engaged. What do we got here in the cockpit? Well, this bottom left lever is forward or reverse, okay? See that arrow right there? Sorry about the movement there. Forward or reverse. This bottom right lever is tine engagement. You see how it says PTO? When I push this forward, it engages the tines. This middle lever allows me to raise or lower the handles. We've removed the throttle because we found that's something that people will break. And let's come around to the front of the engine. So first things first, you've got it home and you need to fire it up. Make sure that's locked, okay? Red lever down. Let's come around to the front. Let's look really close right here. I've got my throttle lever, and I'm going to move this all the way to the left. Okay, that's full speed throttle. It's going to be ripping when I start it up. Here's your choke. Choke is again to the left, and my fuel is currently on. Okay, that's good. There's a starter handle. We'll check that out in a minute. And then I have an on and off switch here on the side. So I want to make sure that it is on. To start this machine up, I'm going to come over here, grab the handle, see if I can pull the rope and hold my camera. Woo! I'm going to take it off choke. Pretty easy, huh? All right, we're running loud. Can you hear me? I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. Let's walk back. I'm going to put the camera in the tripod, and we'll fire this tiller up. There we go. So remember, this lever is down. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in gear. So I'm going to pull this backwards. Okay, it's in gear now. Watch. See how it's moving? If I squeeze up, it stops. If I let go, it goes. If I let go of the red, it dies. And now I am in reverse. I want to rototill. So I'm going to put it in forward. I'm going to push this PTO lever forward. And I'm rototilling. Nice and slow. Really gives a good, if I do it twice, really gives a good finished product. Again, remember I'm running this engine speed very low so you can hear me over it. If I let go, it's going to die. So that's kind of the, oh crap, I don't know what I'm doing. It's going to die, so I can hold this back down. I can engage the clutch or disengage the clutch, lock that, and I can come around to the front of the machine. I think you can see me, and I can restart it up and continue on my process. So there you go, a BCS 712 rental rototiller. Now you know when you get home how to start it, how to use it to get your garden tilled and ready to go for the upcoming planting season. See y'all soon. Thanks for joining in.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.